Herkese merhaba everybody. So today we're gonna react to some Turkish music. If you guys remember, I used to make Turkish music reactions on my old channel, which was taken down for copyright. But today I'm gonna start because I do have some Turkish idols that I like. So this is Reynmen. He's very popular, very famous YouTuber slash singer, rapper of Turkey, and I'm a fan of his work. So he has a new song called Leila. Maybe that's his girlfriend, I don't know. So let's watch it. Hopefully it's a bop and not a flop. Is there English? Did he? Oh no, there's no English. Okay. Ooh. Let me stop. Leila. Ooh. You see, I don't like him with no beer. I like him with beer. With no beer, like he look better with beer. Leila or Ama, I don't know. Oh, you see, like that, he look good. Ne yapsan mafile, okay. Honey. Oh, he look good. Chalk saw, okay, I know that. Oh, he look good. He look good. Oh, he look good, honey. He look good. Sunday, oh. I wish I understand what he's saying, but honey, I'm okay watching him. Leila. Ooh. Leila. Oh, he look good. Look at Leila, girl. His eyes are like, oh, girl, yes. I mean, he's rich. Reynmen. Guys, I am so sorry. Ooh. Alamas Layo. Yes. I don't know who's. Ooh, maybe that's Leila in the background. He's looking for Leila. Oh, Turkey. Leila. 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 Maybe, I don't know who's Leila. Okay. But he does look good with beer and no beer. Maybe that's Leila. Oh yeah, maybe that's Leila. Oh yeah, that's Leila. And she's gonna get married with another man. Reynmen. Okay, Sus. Oh yes. What happened? I don't know what happened. Drama. Okay, do I like the video? Yes, I like Leila. Leila, Leila. Yes. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. If you guys want more Turkish reactions, Turkey, let me know in the comments below. I got some Turkish reactions on the screen in case you never watched them. They're there, okay? So thumbs up and I'll see you soon. Bye. Hit you with that